Located deep in the rural heartland of the Midwest, the Quanex Chatsworth plant is miles away from the closest city. But make no mistake, it stands proudly at the very center of Quanex's success. This seemingly secluded plant plays a pivotal role in Quanex's North American Fenestration division. The Chatsworth location is one of the original plants to operate under Quanex, with manufacturing starting in the 1960s and eventually expanding into their current 82,000 square foot facility, where a team of 62 employees generated $36 million in revenue in 2023 under the leadership of plant manager Paul Fogel and assistant plant manager Andy Tatro. Chatsworth is known for being Quanex's roll-forming experts, producing 130 million feet of rigid spacer bar annually, and has spearheaded the introduction of all new laser welding lines, a process that is safer, runs cleaner, and could double their capacity. In addition to replacing their own lines, Chatsworth has gone above and beyond in helping introduce the laser lines into the Ankeny plant as well. In addition to 18 different profiles of spacer bar, Chatsworth produces a variety of roll-formed components, including cladding, stiffener, muntin, and supplies the screen frame to the majority of the Quanex screen plants across the country. But they don't stop at roll forming, with in-house slitting, powder coating, engineering, and tooling capabilities. Many of the roll-forming tools used across the company are made in Chatsworth, making them an integral support group for the entire organization.
We are different than most Quanex locations. We run the product that other Quanex facilities use. We're good at those kinds of things here. We fully know that our specs have to be good in order for them to succeed. So if we excel, they're going to excel.
Chatsworth has built a reputation for creating strong leaders, with NAF President Bob Daniels and VP of Operations Dan Welch starting at the plant. This reputation carries on today, demonstrated by the plant achieving the 2022 Quanex Appreciation Award for their EBITDA performance, record low labor costs, and being injury-free, all while not having to work a single Saturday the entire year. The management team in Chatsworth knows their success lies in the dedication of their employees, and they make sure everyone is recognized, often with cookouts where Paul and Andy man the grill, sometimes until 2 in the morning, so every shift is celebrated. The employees at Chatsworth have proven they're willing to go the extra mile and always do the right thing.
My team, I would put up against any team. I have a small group here that come to work fully knowing that they're going to be successful. Watching individuals grow has been probably my biggest highlight, and just coming to work is a blessing.
In Chatsworth, anyways, it's such a family environment. I love coming to work. There's just a great group of people, and I've worked with them for so long that we've built trust over the years, and yeah, I think it's just it's like a family here.
Despite its remote location, the Chatsworth plant shows greatness knows no geographical bounds, and that the future is bright for everyone at Quanex.
In Chatsworth, Illinois, we are a part of something bigger.